Ndewo. Kaikeme. So I get this question from clients and my students all the time. This question is, what is the best way to learn Igbo language? Okay. And then I also get this question, oh, I work 12-hour shifts every day. How do I find the time to learn Igbo? Okay. So today I'm going to give you 7 ways, 7 actionable things you can do, okay, to improve your Igbo speaking. All right. Okay. So I'm going to give you 7 things you can do today, okay, to improve your Igbo speaking. Okay, so number 1 is you need to make a new habit, okay, of learning Igbo. What do I mean by this? You need to create a time, okay, and this doesn't have to be so hard. Actually, you can stack it onto an old habit you have. Let's say you brush your teeth in the morning at 7 o'clock, okay? So you can then say to yourself, after brushing my teeth, I will learn 1 or 2 sentences in Igbo before having my breakfast, or whatever it is you would normally do after brushing your teeth, okay? So what has this done? You have stacked it onto a habit, a routine that you already have, which is brushing your teeth. So each morning, after brushing your teeth, then you get on and you practice your Igbo language, whether it's 1 or 2 sentences, okay? And then you go ahead and eat or have your coffee or whatever else you would normally do, okay? And this has actually brought into place the 3 things that are important for a new habit to be formed. 1, there needs to be a trigger. So in forming this new habit of speaking Igbo, you need a trigger. And in this case, your trigger is brushing your teeth, okay? And then you need the actual action that you want to do, which is speaking Igbo, which you will then do after brushing your teeth. So we have the trigger, the action, and the third thing is the reward, okay? So the third thing you need is a reward. And your reward is then having your breakfast or having your coffee, all right? So whichever new habit you're planning, in this case, speaking Igbo, you need a trigger, you need the action, and you need a reward. And we've given you an example today. The trigger can be brushing your teeth, and then the action, speaking Igbo, and then you reward yourself by having your coffee or having your breakfast, whatever it is you would normally do after brushing your teeth. Okay, I hope this has been helpful to you. Okay, so you practice, this helps you practice Igbo daily, and you just need like 10 to 15 minutes every day. 10 to 15 minutes every day to see a difference in your Igbo speaking, okay? And this video series of telling you the 7 points is a video. This video series is ushering in our next boot camp, okay? And based on the feedback I've had from my previous clients and students, I've extended it. So previously it was 1 month, 2 months, but now the new boot camp is 4 months boot camp, 16 weeks. Okay, and you have weekly calls with me, all right? Weekly live sessions, online calls, okay? All right, so there's no excuse, all right? So if it's your goal to speak Igbo, right, as we move into the new year, just join us in the Igbo Bootcamp. It's open now, okay? Just grab your slots, all right? Okay, and look out for the remainder of the videos. And if you want to watch these videos all in one go, just click the button below and sign up, and you can get this 7 points all in one go, okay? Otherwise, meet me here again with the next video and I'll give you the next point, okay? Ngwan, Kodi, Nasuku Igbo.